confident is not just about you being slim, sexy, and tall. You can be beautiful with your wide hips, thick thighs, and strong arms. Because I strongly believe that we are all responsible for our body's autonomy and that the society's beauty standards shouldn't weigh us down, drag us down, or destroy our confidence. And always remember, us women, we are the tower of strength, the pillar of hope, and the champion of purpose. And always remember, beauty
Galing.
is a purpose. And I am here to claim that purpose.
Di ba?
Galing.
Alam mo, maganda ka na. Huwag mo na lang kakalimutan na hindi mo dapat pinagsasabay ang kortal at tadway. Wag!
Classic yun ah. Portal
Diyos
classic.
ko! Tama?
Tama.
Oo.
Okay,
At
isa
saka,
lang.
Jean at Betchin, huwag mo rin pinagsasabay yan.
Ang galing, ang galing.
Pag pinagsabay mo yung Jean at Betchin, ay nako. Gigising kang may pagsisisi.
At dahil kinalingan mo, aabangan namin ng question and answer.
Yes.
Ay, yes. Diyan tayo babawi. Dahil,
Excuse me, sa tingin mo ba mananalo ka ngayon?
yes.
Bakit?
Because being confident is not just about you being slim.
Yan na naman!